How to make a start and stop timer in Roblox Studio. Create a part and name it Start Part. Create another part and name it End Part. Design the parts as needed. Group as folder and name the timer folder. Add screen GUI to starter GUI and name it timer GUI. Add text label and name it timer label. Design the text as needed. Add a remote event to replicated storage and name it Timer Event. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script detects when a player touches the start or end part and tells their client to start or stop a timer. Get services and remote event. Get parts from workspace. Create reusable touch function. Finds which player touched the part. If a player touched it, we tell only that player to start or stop the timer. Triggers the timer start. When the start part is touched, we send a start signal. Triggers the timer stop. When the end part is touched, we send a stop signal. Add a local script to text label. Writing the script. This script listens for start and stop signals from the server, shows a timer UI, and counts time in real time until it stops. Get remote event and UI elements. Hides the timer when the game starts. Listen for server signal. Waits for instructions from the server. When the timer starts, we show the UI and reset the time. This loop updates the timer smoothly and displays it on the screen. Setting running equals false automatically ends the loop. We wait 3 seconds so the player can see their final time. Finally, we hide the timer and reset it for the next run. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.